Hey friends, I'm Shaz and welcome back to the Ministry of Reviews. In this video today, I will review a wireless mobile car charger. This is from the Linkifun brand. I had tested a CarPlay adapter from this brand last year and it was a very good and a very stable device. Now the marketing team from the Linkifun brand sent me this mobile car charger and they wanted me to share a full review of this with all my viewers. So guys, let's first do a quick unboxing to check out the contents in the box and then I will set this up in my car and test the actual performance. So keep watching guys. Alright friends, so now let's do the unboxing of this Linkifun car wireless charger. As you can see, it comes in this box. Now the important thing here is that it actually comes in 4 different colors. So you've got red, blue, black and yellow. I've got the black one, but you can pick the one that you like. So very nice, 4 different colors. So not a lot on the box itself. So let's open it now. Alright, so what we get inside the box is this car charger, and we'll come back to this in a while. Then we also get a few other accessories. So we get the user manual, user guide. Then you get this cable. This is a type C cable. This is to connect the wireless charger. So this end connects with the wireless charger and the other end connects with the power source in your car. And then you've got a mounting bracket. This mounting bracket is specifically to connect it with the AC vent, but this model comes with 2 mounting brackets. This one is for the AC vent and it also comes with a very nice telescopic mounting bracket. Now this is very handy and useful. This is what I prefer to use in my car. Now this is a telescopic one. You can connect this on the dashboard like this, or you can actually connect this with the windshield. So you've got 2 options to do that. Then you connect it, so the wireless charger gets connected on this end, and then you can actually use this as a telescopic brackets to adjust the length. And obviously you can just from here you can also adjust the height. So a very nice, a very flexible mounting bracket. It's called the telescopic one. But if you don't want to use this, if you just want to connect it with the AC vent, you can also use this mounting bracket. So you get these 2 very nice mounting brackets. Now let's have a closer look at the wireless car charger. As I said, this is the black one, but you can pick one from the 4 different colors available. Alright, so this is where you have the wireless charging inside. This is the infrared sensor. Now this sensor will pick the movement as soon as you bring your phone closer to this charger, and the clamps will open automatically. And at the bottom, this is where you connect the type C to the power source. At the back, this is where you connect the mounting bracket. So very simple in terms of the connections and the setup. So just to show you how this works, I've got the charging. I've connected with my power bank. Let's switch this on, and so this is how it is. So as soon as you bring the phone closer, the clamps will open. You put your mobile in and it gets closed automatically. Right, so let's bring it close. There you go. Alright, so it's very nice, very active infrared sensor. So it's very nice to pick the movement. And then once you have the mobile in and you want to take it out, you just have to actually tap at the back, this button at the back. I'm not sure if you can see it, it's all black. So you just have to click on this and the clamps will open. So if you've got your cell phone in, you just with your fingers tap at the back, the clamps will open and you can take out the mobile, and as soon as you take it out, the clamps will close automatically. So a very nice, a very kind of user-friendly wireless car charger. Now what I'll do is I'll take it to my car, I'll set it up, I'll use this mounting bracket, I'll set it up on the dashboard and I'll connect the wireless charger at the back, and then I'll show you how this actually works in the car. So keep watching guys. Alright friends, so I've set this up in my car. As you can see, it's very nicely set up on the dashboard here. Now I'm using the telescopic mounting bracket, but if you want, you can actually connect this with the windshield with the same telescopic bracket, and it sits very nicely. Now the good thing with this bracket is that you know, once it's set up on the dashboard, you can actually move it right or left, up or down, and even back or front with the telescopic bracket here, with this bracket. So looks very nice. It's very nicely set up here. Now the reason why I'm not connecting this with my AC vent, though you get the AC vent mounting bracket as well, is because the AC vent in my car is right down here. So if you connected it, I won't be able to see the mobile properly. But if you've got a car with the AC vent slightly up on this side, then you can use the AC vent mounting bracket as well. I'm using this one, you know, set it up very nicely on the left side, and it's quite you know, nice. It's strong, it doesn't move. Now what I've also done is I've bought a separate 2-meter long cable, and what I've done is, as you can see, is I've taken that cable through the sidebar. I've hidden it, and I've done this myself, but if you want, you can use some professional help to set it up. So I've just pushed the cable on the right in the sidebar here, and then I've taken it all the way to the top and all the way to this side, and I've got this USB power socket in my car right above the rear view mirror, and I've connected it here. And I've done this all myself, but if you want, you can use some professional help with that. And now the good thing with this is you don't actually see the cable, you know, cluttered in this area. So it's very nice. You know, if you don't have the USB next to the rear view mirror, you can, you know, actually connect it with a cigarette lighter adapter as well. So looks very nice. It's very good, you know, and works quite nicely. Now the good thing with this is I've tried this with several different smartphones that I've got. So let me connect this. This is iPhone 14, and this one fits very nicely. I've tried it with some other cell phones as well, and the biggest and the widest mobile I've tried it is the iPhone Pro Max, which is quite wide, and it fits perfectly fine. In fact, there is a bit more space, so if you have a wider phone than that, you can also connect that. And the other nice thing with this is that you can actually rotate like that. And you know, depending on, you know, whatever you're watching, you can set this up portrait or landscape, and it works perfectly fine. And now the other very nice thing and very helpful for me is that if you have a cover case or a protective case, it would still charge. You know, like this phone I've got a transparent silicone case at the back, and this one still works. So that's very nice. You know, I've tried some other mobile chargers where if you have a protective case, it won't charge, so you'll have to remove that. But in this particular one, you don't have to remove the protective case. It would still charge the phone. So as you can see, looks very nice, very nicely set up. You know, the nice thing with this is, you know, just have to tap at the back and it comes out, and then as soon as you bring it closer to this charger, it will open, and then you put it back in, automatically closes. So very nice device. Now I've been using this one before, and the problem with this one was that one, it's not a wireless charger, and the other one is that it, after, you know, some time, it started giving me trouble. You know, as soon as you put this the mobile on this, after a minute or two, it would rotate itself. So it got free. So not a good choice, this one, and that's why I wanted something which is strong and steady and doesn't move. As you can see, looks very nice. Highly recommended. You know, I've been looking for a decent wireless car charger with a mounting bracket, and I think I've found the right one. I've been using this for some time now. It's about 40 Celsius here, so it can actually work in extreme weather conditions as well. That's it, friends. So this was a quick review of this nice charger. If you like it, if you want to buy this, simply go to the link in the description of the video. It will take you directly to the official store where you can buy this very nice Linkifun wireless mobile car charger. That's it, friends. If you like my content, you can go and support this channel with the super thanks icon below. And if you are new to my channel, please do subscribe and click on that bell icon so you won't miss out on any of my upcoming videos. Thanks for watching, guys.